In this film, we're travelling with our trusty American travel trailer that often comes with us when we visit places in the UK. My cameraman husband and I are heading towards the Scottish border, well over 300 miles from our hometown in Buckinghamshire. With a top speed of around 55 miles an hour, towing our 1969 Silver machine, we're not going to arrive at our farm campground quickly. Driving cautiously down a single-track lane,
we're coming through.
Slow down, you maniac.
We finally reach our destination near the coast. Dave and I have arrived in
Northumberland.
We hitch up, plug in, and look forward to exploring this ancient land.
It's the northernmost county of England. It borders Scotland to the north, the counties of Durham and Tyne and Wear to the south, and Cumbria to the west. With a population of just 320,000 and no major cities, it's the most delightfully empty county in England. Taking its wild and rugged coastline, its empty beaches, beautiful moorland and historic sites, it looks like we're spoilt for choice for so many wonderful places to visit.
Right there.
With our caravan pitched at Base Camp Farmyard, our itinerary includes a short hike along the famous Hadrian's Wall to Dave's favourite, the ruins of Vindolanda, a Roman fort. Also inland, we visit the intriguing, beautiful house and gardens at Cragside. After this, we drop into the towns of Alnwick, Morpeth, and in Berwick, I find a secret refuge from seagull droppings. Along these magnificent Northumbrian beaches, you find the striking location of Bamburgh Castle.
People who've never been to Northumberland come here for the first time and they are swept away with the views. They can't believe how beautiful it is. Inside, we've got 14 rooms for the visitor to wander through, and of course the creme de la creme is the King's Hall. It's been here since medieval times, but never as grand as what it looks like today.
We don't have coins for the castle parking meter, so a medieval moneyer makes us some. Continuing along the seashore, we make the intrepid causeway crossing to the holy island of Lindisfarne and see its amazing abbey ruins. Crasta is where the smartest Northumbrian sheep take their holidays, and Dave gets kippered. We also take an exciting trip to the Farne Islands, but with 20 boatloads of visitors a day, the wildlife doesn't seem to share our enthusiasm.